In this series of recordings, we're going to show you exactly how to start a new CAM project in Milling. There are several ways you can actually start a new CAM project. One of them is by going into the task pane and clicking on New and choose Milling. Another way is we have the tabs on top. We have the tabs of SolidCAM. In every one of the tabs of SolidCAM, we have the option of New Milling. One more option is that in the CAD tree, we also have a tab for SolidCAM. And over there, you can also start a new CAM part. Now, one other way to do it, and this is in case you're not using any of these tabs over here or you're not using your task pane, we can go to Tools, SolidCAM, and New, and then Milling. This is the longest way to do it, and this is good if you do not use any of the other ones, if you don't have those available to you. I like to go into my task pane and simply click on New, Milling, and then we're brought to the point where we need to decide what our CAM part name is. It takes the CAD module name and puts it there as a default, but you can change it to any name you'd like. It also tells you if you want to work external or internal, whereas external, it makes it into an assembly part and stores it either as a compressed file or as a PRT file and folder. Or you can use internal, where the part actually stays within the model itself. You can store it in any directory you want. I like to store it in the same place where my file is held, where my actual CAD model file is held. And of course, you work on your metric or inch. And I'm working in metric. I'm just going to leave everything the way it is. Click on Accept. And now it brings me to the point where I can choose my machine. I have my default machine. If I open this tab, I can choose from any of the machines that I may have in my shop that I have post-processors for. Next, we have choosing our coordinate system, and we'll go into that in our next recording.